SS1. Go.
Let's learn conversion of decimal fractions in base 10 to base 4. Here is an example. Convert 15.25 base 10 to base 4. Now to solve this, we split the decimal fraction 15.25 into the whole number part and the decimal part. The whole number part for 15.25 is the 15, while the decimal part is the 0.25. Solution. Here you have the whole number part and here you have the decimal part. Whole number part 15, decimal part 0.25. So to convert whole number to a number in base 4, we divide repeatedly by 4 until further division is no longer possible and read the remainders upwards. So draw a table, then we have 4 at this side. 4 goes in 15, that's 3, remainder 3. Divide again by 4. 4 goes in 3, that's 0, remainder 3. Read the remainders upwards. You have 3, 3, base 4. Now move on to the decimal part. To convert decimal part to base 4, we multiply the decimal part by base 4 and take the decimal part of the next step as the starting point. Repeat the process until you have 0 or a periodic number, that is a recurring number. Then you read the digits. Let's start. Multiply by 4. 5 multiplied by 4, that's 20. So we write 0. We take 2 to this side. 4 multiplied by 2, we have 8. Plus this 2, that's 10. So we have 0 for the whole of the decimal part and 1 at this side because this is 10. You have to bring the 1 to the other side. So we already have 0 at this side. So that means for the decimal part, it is 0.1. Only the part that you have here. Now you combine the results together. Therefore, 15.25 base 10 equals the whole number part 33 points the decimal part 1 base 4. And that's how to convert a decimal fraction in base 10 to base 4. Thank you.